Spec. Unit type. Starter relay, voltage, 12. Replaces OEM numbers, Arrowhead, SMU 6070, JN, 240-54045, Kawasaki, 27010-0709, Suzuki, 31800-21E10, Yamaha, 4BH81940-0000, 4BH81940-0100, 4BH81940-0200. Compatible with, replacement for, Kawasaki, EN650 Vulcan S 2015-2018, EN650 Vulcan S ABS 2015-2018, EN650 Vulcan S Café ABS 2016-2018, EN650 Vulcan SSE ABS 2016-2018, EX650 Ninja 650-2012-2018, EX650 Ninja 650 ABS 2013-2018, EX650 Ninja 650 ABS KRT Edition 2017-2018, Z650-2017-2018, Z650 ABS 2017-2018, Suzuki, RF600R 1994-1996, RF900R 1994-1995, Yamaha, FZ6 2004-2009, GTS1000A 1993-1994, Mountain Max 600M 600 2001-2002, Mountain Max 700M 700 2001, 2003, Road Starla XV1600ALE 2003X. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, well, replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket starter relay built to meet OEM specifications for Kawasaki, Suzuki, Yamaha. Top reviews from the United States. Easy and cheap. I was a little iffy about buying a cheap part, but it does exactly what it means to do and got my motorcycle back on the road. Would definitely buy another if I ever need it.